In this video, I will show you how to emote on Roblox PS5. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my PlayStation 5 dashboard. Now what I'm going to do is just go ahead and open up Roblox. So I just want to make a quick note that the emotes are not available in every single experience. However, if they are available, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up the experience. So in this example, I'm going to go for please donate. And here we are in the experience. Now to go ahead and emote, it's actually really easy to do. What you want to do on your controller is go ahead and press the options button. So that's this button up here. That's going to bring up the pause menu. Now from here, you can see the option for emotes. So if you actually go ahead and press onto this, you're going to see the different types of emotes that you can select. To go ahead and select these emotes, you can see there's 4 available, 1, 2, 3, and 4. What you want to do is move your joystick in the direction of the emote that you want to use. For example, if we wanted to use emote number 1, we would just move our joystick up to the top. As you can see, this is the shrug emote. Then you got the stadium, then we got point 2 and shrug down at number 4. So just go ahead and select which one you want to use using your joystick, and then just press X on your controller to go ahead and emote. So that's how to go ahead and emote on Roblox PS5. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.